Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Yesterday I was chatting to an old mate of mine and we got talking about his teenage daughter who very sadly has been struggling with her mental health recently. I asked him how she was getting on and he said she's bearing up okay and that one of the things she's trying to do is to wean herself off social media. If you wean yourself or wean somebody off something, you basically gradually stop using, or you stop them from using, something that they like, something that they've become sort of addicted to, or something that's become a habit for them, and something that they need to change. So it's often used to talk about drug addiction, for example. So it can be very hard once someone's addicted to heroin or crack or whatever for them to wean themselves off the drug. In the same way, you might be trying to wean yourself off cigarettes very slowly. If you're not strong enough to go cold turkey and stop completely, you might just slowly cut down from 20 a day to 15 a day to 5 a day to 1 a day and gradually wean yourself off the fags. It's also sometimes used to talk about babies. So when babies have been breastfeeding for a long time, eventually mothers get to a point where they try to wean their babies off breast milk and start to get them on a bottle. And it can also be used to talk about TV. So maybe you realise you're watching way too much telly, it's getting in the way of the rest of your life. So you start slowly trying to wean yourself off TV and use your time a bit more productively. I've also heard it used to talk about relationships where maybe you've developed a bit of a dependence on somebody and you might have split up with a partner. It might be a couple of months since you've seen them and now you're trying to basically wean yourself off them, even though it's hard. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use wean off.